The Polynesian Diet is a celebration of the ocean's bounty, a testament to the island's rich cultural heritage. It's a cuisine that's as vibrant and diverse as the people who have shaped it over centuries. From the staple poisson cru to the sweet pineapples, every dish tells a story of tradition and modern innovation. In Tahiti, seafood isn't just a meal component, it's the cornerstone of the diet. The markets overflow with fresh catches, and dishes like moonfish with pineapple salsa or poisson cru, akin to ceviche, are local favorites. These meals are a testament to the island's culinary heritage, infused with the freshness of the sea. French culinary influence is unmistakable in Tahitian gastronomy, where local flavors meet European techniques. In Papeete, the capital city, you'll find dishes that reflect this fusion, such as coconut curry rice paired with local fish, blending the island's love for seafood with a French flair for complex flavors. Poisson cru is the embodiment of Tahitian cuisine. Fresh tuna marinated in lime and seasoned with salt, complemented by cucumbers, avocado, and cabbage, creates a refreshing and zesty dish. It's a celebration of simplicity and freshness. And for those looking to learn, local villagers offer culinary lessons to share the art of making this island specialty. Engaging with local villagers and culinary lessons is an immersive experience, offering insights into Tahiti's culture and history. Preparing traditional dishes like poisson cru alongside the locals is not just about cooking. It's a cultural exchange that enriches the understanding of Tahiti's way of life. An exclusive dinner on a private island offers guests a full sensory immersion into Polynesian culture. Traditional dances and music form an integral part of the dining experience, creating an unforgettable atmosphere that celebrates Polynesian heritage. The evening comes alive with Ori Tahiti dancers and fire dancing performances. These traditional arts are storytelling mediums that convey tales of history and emotion, captivating audiences with their fluid choreography and mesmerizing flames. Windstar Cruises' Destination Discovery event is a unique opportunity to witness Polynesian culture up close. With live music, traditional fire dancing, and a commitment to environmental sustainability through coral reef restoration, Windstar ensures a journey filled with learning and engagement with Polynesian history and traditions. The marae at Taputapuatea on Raiatea is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that symbolizes the ancestral homeland of the Polynesian people. It's a spiritual and ceremonial hub that has witnessed centuries of Polynesian history, offering visitors a deep connection to the ancestors who once navigated the vast Pacific Ocean. On Hua Hin, visitors can learn the art of seafood preparation from local villagers. These lessons are a celebration of culture and community, offering a glimpse into the sustainable practices that are integral to island living and the respect for the ocean's bounty. Raiatea, the oldest inhabited island in French Polynesia, is the cradle of Polynesian culture. The sacred sites, like the Taputapuatea Marae, are windows into the past, revealing the spiritual and social practices of the early Polynesians and the cultural legacy that continues to thrive today. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.